If you look beautiful, then it is God's gift to you.
Mind is everything. What you think, you become.
When we believe ourselves, we can reach our goal one day.
ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ 99%
How's the Josh? I would like to welcome every one of you, and you are the future leaders, as we all expected when we were joining this batch, when we were joining this course. We all thought to become a public speaker. We, in the science, you all sitting over here, thought of becoming a public speaker. You had fear of stage. You used to feel very nervous when you go on the stage. Now I want you guys to come, show whatever you have learned from us, whatever the dedication that you have shown to yourself, and whatever things that has been changed in your life regarding public speaking, and the fear that you had earlier, all these went away. Do you believe that? Yes, sir. The fear within you, which was earlier, now it is not with you. Because many times you all came upon the stage and spoke with audience, spoke with me, took presentation on different topics. So now this time you all are going to speak with confidence, with clarity on the topic of positive thinking. As guys, you know that everything in life relates to our thoughts. Whatever our body is performing, every action of ourself, including our behavior, our character, our mindset, is the cause of positive thinking. So that's why I would like to conclude my speech saying you that your thoughts have the power to shape your life. Do you believe in it? Yes, obviously. The way I think consistently, that way I become gradually. If I have positive thoughts, I might lead a good life. If I have negative thoughts, I might be the loser in my life because of only thoughts. Because thoughts, thinking have the power to shape our entire life. So all of you, I want you guys to welcome here and speak on the topic of positive thinking. So I would like to call upon the stage the first candidate, Adi. Please come on the stage. Please have a big round of applause for Adi, guys. Please, the stage is in your hand. Now conquer the stage with your power. I told you, speak with confidence, clarity, with positive thinking. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon to everyone. Today I am going to save your mind from positive thoughts, and I start my speech with quotation. Mind is everything. What you think, you become. If you want to become businessman, you should be positive thinking and with patience, because sometimes in business we are taking good property in your business, but sometimes we incur losses in your business. That time, if you have a patience with positive thinking, you can escape from your difficult time easily. And if you change your life, you should be adapted positive thinking. If farmers have negative thinking, definitely everyone face food issue. And
100%. Nice.
And now I am ending my speech with another quotation. If you thinking positive during negative time, you have already won in your life, and you are coming to your destination. And thank you so much, sir, giving me this marvelous opportunity. Thanks for listening my speech.
Superb. Nice. Superb. Thank you so much. Very well you did. Give me mic. And guys, please have a big round of applause for Mr. Adi, because Adi tried to show his confidence and spoke with courage. Thank you so much for speaking about our farmers, because without expecting much, with a positive thinking, farmers always take a step ahead for growing the crops, and because of that we all are living. Not just we all, the entire world is depending on the agricultural sector. So thank you so much to our all the farmers who are contributing for the crops and agricultural. Thank you so much, Adi, for giving this wonderful speech to the wonderful personalities here. Thank you so much again. And the next candidate that I would like to announce is Karthik. Please come up on the stage, ladies and gentlemen. Please have a big round of applause for him. Yes, now the stage and mic is in your hand. Please conquer the stage with your confidence.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Karthik. Thank you so much, sir, giving me the great opportunity. Today, I talk about positive thinking. What is positive thinking? Why should we think positively? And third one, how can benefits positive thinking? One by one, I would say, first one, thinking about. Thinking is more important for the human body. When humans grow up, that time positive thing originates. And when humans fails, that when negative thinking originates. Thinking is more important for human mind. And positive thinking is one of the most important keys to success. And maintain your positive attitude. How to can benefit positive thing? Some students trying to get a job and start business. However, they are doing. That time some peoples might criticisms for make up fun them, and however instead letting others and negative comments affects them. Only you should focus on your goal. Don't care other people's say. Think positively. The universal sometimes supportive.
Wow, super. Of course, universe always supports us when we think positive.
Last one things I would say. Think positively every time. Decoration your life. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Yes. Thank you so much, Karthik, for this wonderful speech given by Karthik. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like you to give a big round of applause for Mr. Karthik. Please have a big round of applause. Thank you so much, Karthik, for taking step ahead for your courage journey and your public speaking journey, because thank you so much again for speaking about the women empowerment, and also you have given so many best of best topics regarding the positive thinking, and I hope you yourself is the best positive thinker, and please proceed this journey of becoming a good public speaker, because regularity of positive thinking, not just like thought positive yesterday, will think couple of days back. So this way of negligency will always put us in that circumstance of thinking negative. So positive thinking must be a habit of every individual, right? So kindly build this positive thinking as your habit, not your passion. Okay, that must be completely connected to your soul, that must be connected to your heart, your mind, that must be deeply rooted in within you. So then only a human being can possibly think positively. I would like to welcome the next candidate. Please have a big round of applause for Lakshmi. Please do come here. and the stage in your hand. So, Khankair, how would you like to? Please proceed this way.
Good afternoon to everyone. Thank you so much, sir,
Thank
for
you so
giving this opportunity for me. Today, I would like to talk about positive thinking. What is positive thinking? Positive thinking, how to use in our everyone life. Why should we think in positive? Positive thinking is more important key to success. Positive thinking makes us happy, strong, successful. Positive thoughts change our lives. When we believe ourselves, we can reach our goal one day. Positive thinking practice every day in our life. We start saying kind words ourselves like I am good, today will be good. We spend more time, happy people, good people who make us happy, feeling. Positive thinking is more important to everyone life.
use hand
When
gestures. Yeah.
when we doing any work, when we taking any decision, if we don't have positive thinking, we loss of our confidence level. It has been shown by to decrease our stress, anxiety, and depression, and increase our immunity power. When we take any classes, when we start learn any subject, positive thinking is more important. Thank you.
Say thank you loudly to them.
Thank you so much, everyone. That's-
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lakshmi, for utilizing this opportunity and coming on the stage, putting forward your beautiful thoughts of positivity. Thank you so much. You can please have a seat. The next candidate whose name that I would like to announce. Please, Janardhan, come on the stage, ladies and gentlemen. Please have a big round of applause for Janardhan, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I talk about positive thinking. First of all, I started one quotation. Optimism is that faith that lead to achieve our nothing can be done without hope and confidence. This is told Helen Keller. You know, guys, Helen Keller. Helen Keller is American author. She was disability, but she has positive thinking, and nowadays she done achievement. One positive thinking, one old lady changed one young woman life from positive thinking. Thank you so much for listening my speech. Thank you so much.
We should be thank you for you and for your wonderful speech. So, guys, please have a big round of applause for Janardhan. Now, the last candidate of the day. Please, Pratik, come up on the stage, ladies and gentlemen. Please have a big round of applause for Pratik.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am discussing about topic name is positive thinking. I am Pratik. Thank you for this opportunity, sir.
Thank you.
Positive thinking meaning positive thinking is a mindset focus on good accepts, good outcomes, and cultivates optimization. It can help boost reliance and overall well-being. Some ways to practice positive thinking. First one is gratitude, gratitude information. Second one is affirmation. Third one is mindfulness. Some techniques of positive thinking, daily affirmation, mindful meditation, positive talk, self talk, surrounding yourself without positive. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much for trying
Sir,
to
I
teach.
will talk about one sentence.
Please.
Any person positively in 99% percentage,
Hmm.
but not use in 1% negative.
Okay. What is the meaning?
I will talk about. You
Ha,
explain.
please tell in Kannada.
ಯಾವ್ದ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ 99% ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ 100%.
Is this fact?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Superb. Superb. You have ended the statement with a beautiful and a very hard reality. I would like to end my speech saying you that if you look beautiful, then it is God's gift to you. If you live your life beautiful, then it is your gift to God. Thank you so much everyone for participating in this speech. Thank you so much. I'm very happy to see you all here, and I'm very happy that you all have got that much of confidence of speaking, and hope not just here, you will continue this journey forever for your life. On any stage you go, you should be this much of confidence with speaking. Thank you all.